Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm making another slime, but today I have a new method because that one was thicker, and I found this one after watching a YouTube video. They used hand soap and salt, and let's see if this works. And they mixed it. I'm not going to use all of this because I don't want my mom wondering why all of it is gone. So I'm just going to put a little and see what happens. That looks like enough to me. So yeah, let me go put this back. And now I'm just about to put the salt. I hope this method works. Because I don't trust some of these YouTube videos. Oh my gosh, it's literally almost slimy. I gotta add more. I think I have to add a lot of salt to make it like that texture. Oh, the slime. I hate these methods on YouTube. And then yeah, it's probably the salt. I think it's the hand soap and the salt because I saw that they used Johnson's hand soap and I used, or it's probably how I mixed it because, okay, I'm just about to add more soap. So let me go get that and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back and I added more soap. This probably isn't going to turn out like a slime, but who cares? It's just for fun. And I'm not an expert at slime because I don't really have the ingredients. So yeah. And it's probably the salt I used and stuff like that. So I think it is slimy. Yeah, it's slime now. I just made slime, guys. Yeah, some of it is. Yeah, some of it wasn't mixed. Because, and you can use this. Well, yeah, so. I'm just about to mix it right here. And yes, this is just about to be yeah, this is slime now, if you could see. Like, there weren't exact measurements. So just remember to use Johnson. I'm just about to go and use this as oops, I'm trying to mix this like really hard, like you don't even know. Touch it. Ooh, yeah. And then you just have to put your hands in after a while because it's like this. so thick, like... Okay guys, I'm just about to use this as a soap, but when I get the exact ingredients, like my other slime yesterday was good. This is a fail, guys. Why would I listen to that YouTube video? Guys, I'll be right back. Guys, I just went ahead and used it as a soap, and like, it did way better than it did as a slime. So guys, yeah, this is my slime fail. So yeah, subscribe for daily